Last story today. It's another Willie Do special. Big Oculus guy. Every time I come in, I just try to get some work done, write a few emails, Oculus this, Oculus that. And so I'm just going to let you take it away. This is your story right here.
Oh, boy. Okay. Well, Oculus Quest, if you don't know, it's a VR headset that has just one cool feature, which is wireless. And that is the main
It's also affordable too, right?
Very affordable, yeah. And it's amazing. I can't speak nothing less of that. I've been using it to play Half-Life Alyx. And you use this software called Virtual Desktop, which just mimics your desktop. But then the Wi-Fi is just like a stream. And it's just no latency at all. And it's just wireless. So that's what makes it cool.
Well, you got an all-new one right now. You got the Quest 2.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one.
Yeah, so they made some improvements to it. It's your favorite VR headset, I guess. Could you say that?
I would say so, yeah.
Because it's wireless. It's a bit more affordable. The new one is going to be almost 4K display, and the RAM is going to improve to 6 gigabytes. Facebook kind of leaked it by accident, and then they admitted to having leaked it and said, yeah, it's coming out really soon. They got a video kind of showing it off. And I agree with you, by the way. The wireless or the all-in-one type of thing could really... I mean, that should be the thing to push VR forward because it's really intimidating with the cables and the giant gaming PC and everything else. Now, this, of course, is going to have its limitations as a consequence, but you say it's worth it. And so I listened to you, Will. The demonstration videos were scheduled for September 16th and September 17th. The Facebook Connect conference for developers begins September 16th, so we're probably going to see something. The SKU... maybe $399, $499, somewhere in there. Apparently, the storage is going to be doubled up to 256 gigs from 128. About 2K resolution per eye. That's how you get up to your 4K res.
Big deal.
That's 50% greater than the first Quest.
Yes, big deal.
So that's quite a few more pixels for you to mess around with. I can tell you can barely contain yourself. So, the event is official, full reveal. Facebook admitted to it. It is happening Wednesday at 1 p.m. That's a lot of things on Wednesday.
Oh, man.
Isn't the PlayStation thing on Wednesday?
Yes.
Are we going to do a live stream?
Are you making it official right now?
I don't know. Are we going to do a companion? We've done these companions. I'm kind of into it. But what time is it at?
I have to check the time.
Okay.
I don't know exactly.
Well, there's a chance. We'll check the time, but there's a chance that we'll do a companion stream to go with the PlayStation announcement, a live reaction. Who knows what we'll see? More specifics, maybe prices. Of course, we can then correspond those prices to what the Xbox is up to tomorrow.
No, that's March.
Tomorrow, what you got here, Will?
I have to check.
It's on Wednesday, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
I'm pretty sure that it is also...
This is an old article.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's also Wednesday the 16th.
Wednesday.
Well, we're going to get to the bottom of it right now. Yeah, Wednesday the 16th, 40-minute digital showcase. What time, Sony? 1 p.m. Pacific. Oh, yeah, we can do that.
4.
That actually lines up good for us.
Yeah.
Okay, there you have it on Wednesday. I mean, we'll probably have another show before that, but on Wednesday, meet us here for the PlayStation event. We shall enjoy it together.